Bazalwane, bengifuna ukuyovakashela ingane yami emathuneni. Manje nithi asiye emathuneni yini yabo le dead bury themselves. So when they are buried we can't go. Kumele ngibuze phela ngingaphuma endleleni. Yo. Ayi kwaze kakuningi. Ngisenza njani?
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. You are trend ukugosikotheni ngemva kokuthi ayonde video lapha ku TikTok abuta abantu ukuthi njengoba yena ushonele umntwana uma sekasindisiwe kumele ngokuthi aye emathuneni ayo khuluma nemfana yakhe. Uma sewusindisiwe awusayini emathuneni njengoba akuthiwa labafile abafile mase usindisiwe nje umuntu lofile ufile akeva awukhulumi nje naye, you don't even visit ethuneni lakhe, nigcina nokumbeka nje nimgcine ngalelo langa awuphinze ubuyele. So she's asking ukuthi kufanele ende njani kusimo lesinjena, uqele advice from nini guys. So people were advising ugogo Scotseni but hayi gogo Scotseni mawusindisiwe uyaya ethuneni but kufuna uye ebusuku kufuna uye ebusuku abantu bangakuboni because uma usindisiwe vele tindolo uthi awutende emini utende ebusuku. So people are just advising ugogo Scotseni lapha ukuthi hayi ungaya wona Scotseni but to make sure ukuthi uye ebusuku bantu abakuboni njengoba sowusindisiwe. So people still don't believe ukuthi ugogo Scotseni uphendukile nangokuthi nje vele wekelile ngoma. I also don't believe ukuthi like ukhuluma iqiniso because it doesn't make sense. Lo make lona like she always makes fun of everything. I wouldn't say futhi ngimake mntwana uTomi. So she makes fun of everything. And if bekasindiswe Cubo, I doubt ukuthi bengayibuta nale question lena because bekumele ngabe unayo impendulo to this question. But I think ukuthi shame ngidlule emhlabeni komntwana wakhe kwamdepressa kakhulu ngendlela ukuthi mhlambe wabona ngazuthi nemadlozi akhe mhlambe amendela phansi, I don't know, but she really doesn't seem like mentally well lo make. Akekho right upstairs, like she's dealing with a lot of things and iyakhombisa ukuthi shame uya departure. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.